I'm Brian Belial, Product Manager with Miller. Today we're going to talk about the new Bobcat 230. This unit is smaller and lighter than the previous models, coming in at just over 100 pounds lighter and 13% smaller than the previous Bobcat. With a single knob interface, it's precise and easy. And with the CC/CV switch, you can now change between welding processes to go from stick to wire welding. The new gas engine drives come with the same mounting pattern as the previous gas models. It's easily accessed through the side panel and with an extension on any half-inch socket. The Bobcat 230 has improved weld quality for smoother arcs and more consistent starts. It also has full auxiliary output no matter where you set your weld. When you need to use that aux power, the unit comes with two 240-volt receptacles, removing the need for an adapter, along with two 120-volt GFCI receptacles with a new design, making them easier to replace. The machine now has a digital fuel gauge and a new fuel system design with improved venting to reduce a no-start condition on an overfill. The machine design allows for easy access to any of the maintenance items. In the event that the machine needs to be jump-started, the design now comes with a negative connection point on the bell housing and a positive connection point on the starter. That's a quick overview of the new Bobcat 230. For more product information and resources on the entire Bobcat series, please visit millerwelds.com.